Hello and welcome to Tech Gadgets. So, if you're planning to buy a small car, which is the right time to buy after implementing GST or before GST? So, let's see what are the car prices will change and what will be the bike prices after GST implementation. So, after implementation of GST, small cars and 350cc plus motorcycles to get expensive. So small cars would cost more while luxury vehicles and two-wheelers will benefit. So with goods and service tax GST set to be introduced across India in the days ahead, consumers are in a quandary as to in what way this will impact the economy and various sectors. Where the automobile industry is concerned, the introduction of GST will having varying effects on vehicles. The government of India has now revealed as to how the tax will play for car and motorcycle buyers in the country. As per the GST structure, small cars under 4 meters in length and with 1200cc petrol engines will attract 1% cess, while diesel vehicles with engine less than 1500cc will attract 3% cess. And cars in the mid-sized segment, SUVs and luxury cars will carry a 15% cess. Motorcycles, on the other hand, with 350cc engines will attract 31% tax. So, under the current taxation system, smaller cars in the sub 4 meter category and with engine capacity up to 1200cc attract excise duty of 12.5% and 14% VAT and other levies taxes, total taxes up to 27%, while GST will bring with an added 1% taking total taxes to 28%. While automakers of small cars will have something to worry about, luxury car makers hope to see positive results with the implementation of GST, which puts a fixed slab of 28% even on large luxury vehicles and SUVs. Vehicles in this category currently see taxes to extent of 41.5 to 44.5%. GST will see the base 28% tax and 15% cess, taking total taxes on such models to 43%. And which is lower than the current rate, which could result in a lowering prices. And indirect tax incidence on two-wheelers as well as small cars less than 4 meters to largely remain the same as present, with GST rate at 28%. Additionally, a cess of 1% for small petrol cars less than 1200cc and 3% for small diesel cars less than 1500cc, as well as high-end motorcycles greater than 350cc would apply. Large cars and SUVs likely to benefit with a lowering of indirect taxes on such vehicles. Presently, SUVs attract on overall incidence of above 15%, which would come down to 43%, and GST of 28% plus cess of 15%. So, GST on electric vehicles and tractors has been kept at the lower rate band of 12%. And however, the manufacturers of such vehicles would face an inverted duty structure with major inputs liable to GST at either 18 or 28%. And though refund of excess input GST would be available, there could be significant working capital blockage for such sectors. So, hybrid vehicles are proposed to be taxed at the highest GST rate bracket of 28% plus SS of 15%. This could act as a dampener for OEMs proposing to invest in hybrid technology and adversely impact sale of such vehicles unless a subsidy is separately given by the government to offset such tax incidence. And no major impact for commercial vehicles and parts, therefore, both of which are proposed to be taxed at 28% GST. No cess on commercial vehicles except for vehicles for carriage of passengers between 10 to 13%, which will be charged a cess of 15%. And auto parts are proposed to be taxed at 28% GST. This could push up cost of after sales service maintenance of vehicles, coupled with a possible increase in tax rate for services as well from 15 to 18%. So overallly, the small cars is going to increase a little bit more in price after GST, and when you go to the luxury cars and SUVs, the prices will remain same. And when you maintain about the auto parts are proposed to be taxed at 28% GST, so the spare parts service and maintenance will also increase. So these and the bikes above 350cc segment will also increase. So please keep these all things in mind, and if you want to buy a small car, then this is the right time to buy before July. So by that you will get some additional benefits, and you'll get it for less price. So hope that guys you like this update. please comment and subscribe for my channel. And I will make another video regarding what are the gadgets that will increase after GST bill. So please don't forget to click on bell icon. By that you will get new video notifications. Thank you very much.